Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a weekend world tour. So we can do anything. So my type is that's what you want to type, custom Rick wall. So click this link right there. Then you want to click on anything you want. So we'll mostly giveaway. I'm gonna click on it's gone! What should I name? How to get IQ by eating kids. Big chomp, big chomp, big chomp. Don't mind the beeping in the background. Big chungus. Big chungies. To get there, you just click that. And then click here and type fat man pictures or something, I don't know. You can click on this one. Once you click on this one, you should see that link up there. If you guys do copy that whole entire link, go back to the original, paste the link, click continue. Then click like social, giveaways. How to get IQ by eating kids. Right there. And now if you copy it and paste it right there, this is what's gonna happen. So I'll show you what's gonna happen. You can claim no gift.
For me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn! A big corn enough, it has to choose. I can imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn! I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. When I try it, I don't anything taste. But the best thing about corn is the grease. The cornbread can restore your energy. You really appreciate that whole bowl when you love something. If you anyone that's
Yes, that's a lot. So that's the video. I'm making a Rick roll. I go into Discord. It is called, and I make my own thing. So I'm going to add a server. Add. We're gonna make it. Might see my guy's profile. Let me just see this profile. Here, let me go into, what is it called? That one thing, go here. What you want to do is you want to type px, go into edge, I go into edge and make my own solo. So I'm just going to click plus, click on solo or something, I don't know, and then you should get this, and you can post any image you want. Image, how to get this image. You want to go to Google Edge, drag his profile. Anyway, see, I'm just going to click on some random one. Look what's going to happen. That takes me to picture, Google search images. And I'm just going to take this one. If you're asking me how am I going to copy his profile image, I don't know. I'm like, old man. Old man. I don't know what this is, but let me just save image. Ow. It's in downloads. It's called Owl. There's a chance if you go in there you might find me, but yeah, including Discord directory. Yeah, I understand. I was showing you how to make a Discord server. And yeah. You can do anything you want. Like, invite my friends. Invite your friends. Hi guys. So that means that won't work. I have to do something, but I don't know what it is. What's that about this? Here's my server. Send me your things in the channel and I'll show you them, and I'll paste them and I'll send you an invite. So